welcome back to Java tutorials. In this video I will talk about the inheritance concept in Java. Inheritance means inheriting the features, methods and variables from parent class to child class. The main advantage of this is reusability. We can use the same code without writing many times. The main class is called as superclass and the child class we can call as subclass. Using the inheritance concept, we can inherit only instance variables and methods but not private variables and private methods. There are 5 types of inheritances. One is single level, the second one is multi-level, hierarchy, multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance. Anyway, Java doesn't support this multiple inheritance concept, but now let's understand one by one each other what is this inheritance with examples. The first one is single level inheritance, where we have one main class, one subclass, B extends A. In that case we have only one superclass and one subclass. All the methods and features from A inherits B with the use of inheritance using extends keyword. Let's also see one more real-time example where we have a car class and Honda class. Honda extends car. In this situation, Honda class can access all the features of the car. The second inheritance is multi-level inheritance. This you can see there are more levels where C extends B, B extends A. In this case, C can access A, B and C features means methods, where B can access B and A features, where A has only A features. This is called as multi-level inheritance. We can see one more real example. Car, Honda, Civic, where Civic model extends to Honda and Honda extends to car. The third type of inheritance is hierarchy, where 2 or more classes extends to the same class. Here B and C both extends to the same class, means Bn can have the features of A, but B is different and again C is different. This one is B plus A, this one is C plus A. We will also understand the previous example here. Car, Honda and Audi. Both manufacturers we can extend to the car class. The fourth type of inheritance is multiple inheritance, where one class is extending more than one class. In this inheritance there is lot of ambiguity. That's the reason Java doesn't support this one. Here we will see A and B classes, where this C class extends A comma B. If you use this inheritance in Java, it throws the error, but Java does support multiple interfaces. This is again we will talk while dealing with the interface concept. The last inheritance is hybrid inheritance. This is not any specific inheritance. This is just a combination of 2 or more of the above types except multiple inheritance. Now let's see A, B, D. This is multi-level. If you can see A, B, C, this is again hierarchy. So we have combination of 2 inheritances here. That's why this one is called as a hybrid inheritance. In our example, car class, we have Honda and Audi is again hierarchy inheritance, and we have one more called as Civic model. This extends to Honda, Honda extends to car. This one is multi-level. The same thing I am showing in a real-time example, that's it. We will see this coding example in the tutorial as well. That's all for today's inheritance concept. I hope you enjoy watching my videos. See you in my next video. Stay tuned and happy learning.